Welcome everyone. Today I am going to walk you through the top 20 AI tools to try in 2025. These tools are shaping productivity, creativity and the way we work. Let's dive into your AI toolkit for 2025. ChatGPT OpenAI first. So ChatGPT, this is perhaps the most versatile AI chatbot out there, from writing content and coding to brainstorming idea and explaining complex topics. It does it all with free access to GPT 3.5 and pro plan for GPT 4 and GPT 5. It become the go-to AI assistant for millions. Right? And let's move to the another slide. Second is Cloud AI Anthropic. So next we have Cloud AI from Anthropic. What makes Cloud AI stand out is its ability to handle very long document while maintaining safe and reliable response. It's great for research, analysis and even processing image data sets. A strong alternative to ChatGPT. Let's move to the another slide. Perplexity. So AI is like a fusion of Google search and ChatGPT. It provides real time answer and sources, making it perfect for students, writers and researchers who want both accuracy and depth. It comes in both free and pro version. So this is about the Perplexity AI. Next move to the next slide. Notion AI. Notion AI takes your productivity game to the next level. It helps you to summarize notes, create tasks and even generate blogs draft right inside your Notion workspace. Think of it as your personal assistant built into your Notes app. Is it great, right? Now let's move to the next AI, Runway ML. Runway ML is a favorite among video creators with its Gen to text to video model, background removal and motion tracking. It's defining video editing. Whether you are a pro editor or just starting out, this tool makes video creation incredibly easy. Okay, so next slide, Midjourney. So Midjourney is the gold standard for AI art generation. Using simple text prompts, you can generate or create breathtakingly realistic and artistic visuals. It is especially popular among designers, brands, and anyone who wants stunning image quickly. Next, move to the next slide. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI built for game developers and designers. It generates texture, concepts, art and assets at lightning speed. If you are into gaming or creative design, Leonardo can save your hour of works. Okay, now next to the move. Next slide, Tom.ai AI presentation for this. Tom is an AI storytelling and presentation tool. Simply type your AI idea and Tom instantly create professional slides with visual and interactivity perfect for pictures, reports or quickly storytelling. Now next slide, Gamma.app. Gamma helps you create polished decks and document in minutes. With drag and drop AI powered design, it's deal for professional and students who want presentation without spending hours on formatting. Now move next slide, Copy.ai AI copywriting tool. Copy.ai is a powerful tool for marketers and content creators. It can instantly generate and copy blogs and email campaigns. If you want to scale your marketing effort faster, Copy.ai is a lifesaver. Now move to the next slide. Jasper AI. Jasper AI takes content marketing to another level. It helps business maintain their brand voice, create SEO friendly bugs and collaborate across teams. It's designed for agencies and enterprises who need professional content at scale. Now next slide. Synthesia is all about video avatars. Just type your script and you will have a professional talking head video in a minute. With over 140 avatars and multilingual support, it's widely used for training, marketing and tutorials. Pictory.ai. Pictory lets you turn script or blog posts into engaging short videos. It audio adds subtitle, stock footage and even voiceovers. A great tool for YouTuber, educators or social media creator. Murf.ai. Murf.ai generate lives like voice for narration and podcast. With over 120 ascent and customization option, it's perfect for e-learning, ads or audiobook, a professional voiceover without hiring a voice actor. Now next, 11 Labs. 11 Labs is revolutionary voice cloning. Its ultra-realistic voices can replicate human emotion and style with stunning accuracy. It is already being used in audiobook, dubbing and even gaming. So next you can see Descript AI video editing. Descript makes editing audio and video as easy as editing a Word document. You can cut, filter words, overdub your voice and record screens all in one. Tools idea for broadcast, teachers and creators. Now move next. Sounddraw.io. Sounddraw is an AI music generator that creates royalty-free background music. You can customize, generate moods and instruments, making it a favorite among YouTubers and content creators. So next, Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI writing assistant for student, bloggers and professionals. It tags, file grammar and even summarize articles. A simple but powerful tool to improve writing. Now next, Crips.ai. Crips.ai removes background noise during calls, whether you are in Zoom, Teams or Google Meet. Crips ensure crystal clear audio, a must-have for remote workers and professionals. Firefiles.ai. Firefiles AI automatically record, transcribes and summarize meeting with searchable insights. Team save hours of note-taking and focus more on collaboration, a real productivity booster for modern workspaces. Okay. Future of AI tools. As we look ahead, AI tools will become even more integrated, personalized and collaborative. They are not here to replace us but to enhance our capabilities. So out of these 20 AI tools, which one are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts and let's explore the future of AI together. So thank you so much everyone.